really strongly recommend that you use a method where you're kind of separating things out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I write out my MA, VA is equal to MB, VB. I'm going to, you can highlight, you can circle. I'm going to choose to, anytime we have an MB and VB, I'm going to circle. Anytime we have an MA and a VA, I'm going to underline. So it's saying how many milliliters of 0.1 molar NaOH. So I'm looking for how many milliliters. So that's going to be my VB. How many, and I have my MB here, because that's a base. And I'm going to underline my 2 liters of, that's going to be my, my VA. And that's right here. That's going to be my MA. So then I need to then set that up. I'm going to move this to the side and use my paper. So setting this up for number 3, I've got my MA. My MA is 0.05 molar. I'm going to multiply that times my VA, which I have, which is 2.0 liter. Please notice that the question is asking for milliliter, but I'm going to keep it in liters for now. You can choose to convert this to milliliters now. You can convert that to milliliters later, but I'm going to keep it in liters for now. So sorry, it's not going to be totally linear. I don't have the largest screen space. So then I've got my MB, which is 0.1. And the variable now that I have left over is my VB. So I'm solving now for VB. So if I need to isolate this variable, I need to do 0.5 times 2, which is 0.1. I almost started writing a German one. We can write a German one or an American one. I'll turn it into American one, or German one, excuse me. So 0.5 times 2 is 0.1. So putting this in the calculator, 0.5 times 2 is 0.1. So I did that in my head. And we got 0.1 VB. Need to still isolate this VB. We can't just say 0.1 because we need to divide on this side by 0.1, divide by this side by 0.1. 0.1 divided by 0.1 is going to be 1 is equal to VB. So the number of liters that we end up using is 1 liter. But please remember that we've got to convert it to milliliters. Guarantee 100% there will be one on the test that is similar to that. The one thing that I will then provide for you on your test that you will have the fact that there is 1,000 milliliters for 1 liter. Hoping that you already have that information from previous classes. AP Chemistry, you certainly have that, but most of you know that there's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter, similar to milliliters of 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So if I have 1 liter, the long way to do it is I would then put 1 liter in the bottom, 1,000 milliliters on top, 1 times 1,000. Then you probably have this through, you got our liters can cancel, and so then our answer then would be 1,000 milliliters. So that's how many milliliters I would then need in order to neutralize 2.0 liters of 0.05 molar HCl. So number 4, like I said, I'm going to skip. Number 5, this is going to be another use of this same idea of this MV equals MV, but instead of just doing MV, we're going to look at where do we end up having more? Do we have more acid? Do we have more base?